Hi, I'm Daniel D'Souza and welcome to Aptitude Academy. This is problem set 1. Let's start.
Problem 1. A batsman scores 110 runs in an innings. If he has scored 3 boundaries and 8 sixes, what is the percentage of runs he has scored by running in between the wickets?
Alright, so problem 1 is a simple problem from percentages. Let's see how to solve it. Now, batsman has scored 110 runs. He's got 3 boundaries and 8 sixes. Now, each boundary is 4 runs. So 3 into 4 gives you 12 runs, right? 8 sixes. So this will be 8 into 6. This will be 48. So altogether he's got 12 runs from boundaries and 48 runs from sixes. So altogether 12 plus 48 gives you 60. So he's got 60 runs from 4s and 6s. But altogether he scored 110 runs. So the remaining runs are 50 runs that he scored running in between the wickets. They've asked you for the percentage. So you will take this number 50 divided by the original number. So 110 into 100. This comes out to be 500 by 11 or 45 5 by 11%. That is 11 into 45 is 495 plus 5. So 500 by 11. This is your answer. Let's move on to the second problem.
Problem 2. What is the area of a rectangle given that the perimeter is 46 centimeters and the diagonal is 17 centimeters?
Right, so problem 2 is a simple problem in areas. Let's see this. Now they've given you a rectangle and they've told you that the diagonal is 17 centimeters and the perimeter is 46 centimeters. Now what is the perimeter? It is the sum of all the sides, alright? Now the area of a rectangle is given as length into breadth. Here it is x into y, but we don't know the values of x and y. That's why they've given us these two quantities. Now what is the perimeter? It is x plus y plus x plus y. That's the sum of all the sides. So we can write the perimeter as 2 into x plus y. They've given us the value of the perimeter is 46. So implies, we take this 2 here, so x plus y is 23. Let's keep this as equation number 1. Now, they've given you that the diagonal is 17 centimeters, right? So the value of this is 17. But we also know that this is 90 degrees since it's a rectangle. So we can say by Pythagoras theorem that x square plus y square is equal to the diagonal square, right? So we can write x square plus y square is equal to the diagonal square. That is 17 square, right? Now, we don't have x square and we don't have y square. So what we're going to do is we're going to simplify this. Now, we all know the very popular formula of a plus b the whole square, right? This is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now let's shift 2ab this side, right? So it becomes a plus b whole square minus 2ab is equal to a square plus b square, right? This is what we're going to substitute here. Well, just replace x by a and y by b and you'll see the relation. So now I can write this using this equation. I will write this as x plus y whole square minus 2xy is equal to 17 square. Alright? Now we know what is x plus y, right? From equation 1 we know it is 23. So we can say 23 square minus 2xy is equal to 17 square. Now rearranging this, we take 2xy on that side. So we get 23 square minus 17 square is equal to 2xy. Right? Now, what is 23 square? 3 into 3 is 9, 3 into 2 is 6, 3 2 is 6, 2 2 is 4, this is 9, this is 12. Okay, 529 minus 17 square is 289 is equal to 2xy. Right? You need to know the squares up till 20 at least. Now, if you subtract this, you will get 240 is equal to 2xy. So I'll take it this side. So now I got xy is equal to 240 divided by 2. That is 120. Now xy is 120. But what is the area? X into y. So your answer is 120 itself. Alright, let's move on to problem number 3.
Problem 3. A fruit vendor buys fruit at the rate of 16 fruit at rupees 24 and sells them at the rate of 8 fruit at rupees 18. What is his profit percentage?
Alright, so problem 3 is a very simple problem on profit and loss. Now, they say that a man buys some fruit at the rate of 16 fruit for rupees 24 and sells them at the rate of 8 fruit for rupees 18. Alright, now let's say he buys 16 mangoes for 24 rupees. Now, when he's selling them, he needs to make baskets of 8, right? So he gets 2 baskets since he's bought 16 fruit. He sells them for rupees 18 each. So now, when this gets sold, he gets rupees 18, and when this gets sold, he gets rupees 18. So altogether, he'll have 36 rupees, right? This is the end money that he gets, and he's invested rupees 24 in this business. So the difference will be 12 rupees. Now to find the profit percentage, you take this difference, divide it upon the cost price. The cost price was rupees 24. So you will say 12 by 24 into 100. This will come out to be 1, 2, so it's 0.5 into 100. That is 50%. Right?
Hi there. If you have any doubts about the problem solved in this video, you can leave me a comment and I'll get back to you. Spread the knowledge.